teacher and hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the benefit of exercise. Exercise is very important for our health and daily life. It helps us stay physically fit and strong. It improves us our health and energy.
So exercise is important of people of all age.
Okay.
It helps us stay active and healthy every day. It also improves our physical fitness and help prevent many health problems.
One important benefit of exercise is better physically. It strengthens our musical and bone. It also helps us maintain a healthy body weight and stay in a good shape.
Exercise is also good for mental health. It can reduce stress and make us feel relaxed. It also improves our mood and make us feel happier and more confident.
So furthermore, exercise gives us more energy throughout the day. It helps us stay focused on studies and activity. It also improves sleep quality, so we will feel fresh and active the next day.
So for students, exercise is important because it improves concentration and learning performance. There are many types of exercise: walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, and playing football.
So we do not need to do difficult exercises. Even 30 minutes of simple activity every day is enough. Yes, important exercise is essential for both physically and mental health.
Stay strong, healthy, and happy in our daily life. We encourage everyone to exercise regular and make it part of their routine.
So yeah, thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye.